Home vlog today. Have some fun because I'm here with my buddy Pete. You know, when Pete and I get together, there's going to be some shenanigans. Pete just bought this crazy all-wheel. Was it all-wheel drive or it's just?
I don't know. It's a Cheetah.
It's a Cheetah, and we're going to go blast it around in the snow and try not to break it. Can you steer it? Nice. Okay.
This is blinking. I don't know what that means.
I don't think, yeah. For
I
us,
think we just take it out and
full throttle, first try.
powers.
And we hope it doesn't just fly away like the drone. We just got sick of waiting for a nice day when there was no snow.
There we go.
Oh dear.
Okay.
Okay.
We have it on 100%. I don't know.
We're gonna find out. We'll stay on. They got more tape. Oh. Whoa! You hit me. Crash. It's a little snowy.
Oh, there it is.
Okay, a couple hours have gone by. Got everything kind of ready to go. It's still soaking wet. It was so full of snow. Wondering if that's what knocked it out. But we've had it on the charger for quite a while. And we're going to try to get that camera to stay on. Obviously need to put a little bit more thought into it because we keep crashing. I put a little bit of time into this tape job here for the GoPro. I think it's going to be epic. Let's see if we can destroy it. You know when someone brings out the multimeter that a good time is about to be had. So we were just evaluating this ramp potential for the Cheetah here in the Arctic tundra of Calgary. We're going to put the RC Cheetah Racer to the test. The maximum frozen snow test. Dun, dun, dun. It's chilly. It is chilly. So we're going to tape up this electrical lead and see if that doesn't help, because it's going to get packed with snow. Okay, we're trying again. A couple hours later, couple cocktails later. Time to try again. Nice. Awesome. Okay, here we go. That camera's not going to get any better.
Come on.
Oh, you hit the tree. There we go. Nothing, didn't care. Whatever, what tree? Oh.
It's cool.
Oh.
Okay. Here's the
Here,
dirt.
show me the GoPro mount.
Oh, here's the mount.
That's all that's left. Oh boy. Insult to injury.
That's a good video.
Just
As you're filming
you're
the
mocking
battery.
my poor GoPro. Whoa.
I'm losing my lid.
Is that it?
That's it.
Wow. Yeah, you definitely need some more batteries. It's an awesome 5 minutes though. It's, yeah, doesn't have as much snow as it does last time.
No. We were too busy in the air.
Yeah. Well, that's it for today. I'm gonna go home and put this video together. That was a lot of fun. Thanks, Pete. It's always a good time. But it's cold. See you next time from the Holy Moly. Bye-bye.